Welcome to Tech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Oh yeah, welcome back to this class. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how to zoom in and out using CapCut. Okay, from your video, how to zoom in and out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go straight to video, click on add new, and just look for a short video and add. So I'll click on add. So wait for it to load. All right. So here, so basic thing is, if you want to zoom in a particular area in CapCut, maybe you are playing a video. As you can see, the video is playing now. You want to zoom in a particular thing in CapCut. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to this part. I want to zoom this. All right, let me look for something to zoom. All right, let's say I want to zoom in this particular light. So here's what I will do. I will come over to, let me use my materials. So I'm going to click on cut. So I'll make sure the image is highlighted. So I will highlight the video, and I'm going to come here and click on cut. So I will split this video by clicking on split. So I'll split the video from here. Then you can see that I've already split the video from here. Then I'm going to click on this component. I'm going to click on this component. So I will come here, I'll click on the component, then I'll play the video I'll continue to play the video. Okay, now I'm going to pause it because now I want this particular video to move. Right, I want to zoom from here to here. So this is the only part that I want to zoom in this particular video. So what I'm going to do, I'll just, now I'm going to split. I'll click on split, so that now when I have a complete split video, now I'll come back here and click on this component. You see the difference now. Once I click on the component, you see this red sign here. You see this red sign you are seeing here. That shows that I already clicked on the component. So now I'm going to scroll back. I will take it back to this our first component. So once it gets to this place, now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to place my hand on my screen. I'm going to drag the video. I'm going to drag to the particular. So I want to zoom in this light. So I will drag it here. All right. Then I'm going to come back and play the video. You can see the zoom. Now you see the zoom from here. All right, so if I actually want to zoom from here, I want to zoom from here to here. This is what I'm going to do also. I will just come here and click on our component. If I click on it, now you see this component here is highlighted to show that our component has already been highlighted. Then I will come back here and click on, here's already our component here. So I will come here and click on component again. You can see we have another component right here. So I'm going to come here and zoom in this video. I'll come into the first component. I will zoom this video here. Zoom. Alright, so I'll come here and play. You see what happened here now. And the video have to zoom backward in the sense that you can see. So now the video has come back to normal. Alright, so let me make another illustration. Now this time around, I just want to make use of another video. Let me just add the video to this particular video. So I'll click on this plus sign button. Let me look for a separate video that I can zoom in. Okay, let me make use of this one. Alright, so this one will be easier, so let me make use of this. So here we are going to just play this video. Now I want to go over and zoom this particular location in this video. I want to come here and zoom this particular location in this video. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and click on split. So I'll click on components. So I'll allow the video to play. So once you get to the point whereby I want the zoom to end, I will stop the video, click on component again, then drag it back to the first component. Then I'm going to zoom in the video to that particular thing that I want. Go ahead and play. I'll go ahead and play this video. Now you see the difference. So let's go ahead and zoom in something else. I want to zoom in something special, so that, let me just scroll. Alright, so I want to zoom in this particular part, this thing you are seeing right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and split. I'll click on component. You can see my component here. This, you must show that you have already clicked on it. So I'll just go ahead and add the video to play. Then I will pause it, because here, this is where I want it to get to. I'll click on my component again. You can see component has been clicked. Here's the component that I clicked, just in case you haven't gotten that. Now I'm going to go back. I'll scroll back. I'll drag it back to this first component. Now I'm going to zoom in that particular part. I'll zoom it in. Alright, this part I want to show, so I will just go ahead and play this video. Let's see what happens. As you can see, until we get to the other component where we split the video. Alright, we are close to it. Now once we get it, the video will go back to its original size. Now the video is still playing, so this is how you zoom in, and then you can also zoom out on your CapCut. So is that simple. In case maybe there's a particular part that you want to show in a video that you are editing, you can just use that component to zoom in that particular part. Maybe just 5 seconds. You just want to zoom in so that people can see what you're talking about. You can just go ahead and zoom that particular part out. Then the video will still continue. So this is how you make use of your component on CapCut to zoom in your videos. So I'll see you in my next class.